Peptides, the tiny molecules that could change medicine. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing amazing. Today we're talking about something you've probably heard about on social media, something athletes are discussing, biohackers are obsessed with, scientists are researching, and doctors are increasingly using in certain medical treatments. Peptides. Some people call them the future of medicine. Others call them the next big revolution in health. But what exactly are peptides? Are they magic? Are they steroids? Or are they simply misunderstood? Let's find out. Imagine your body as one massive city. Inside that city, trillions of cells are constantly communicating with each other. Every second, messages are being sent. Build more muscle, repair this tissue, release this hormone, fight this infection. But how do those messages travel? One of the ways is through molecules like peptides. Think of peptides as tiny biological messengers. They're short chains of amino acids, the same building blocks that make proteins. The difference is size. A protein may contain hundreds or even thousands of amino acids. A peptide usually contains far fewer, small, but incredibly powerful. Because even tiny molecules can send enormous signals. Your body naturally produces hundreds of different peptides every single day. Some help regulate your appetite, others influence your sleep. Some help wounds heal, others control hormones. Some even play important roles in your immune system. Without peptides, your body couldn't communicate efficiently. So why has everyone suddenly started talking about them? Because scientists have learned how to create or modify certain peptides for medical use. And that's where things become really interesting. Today, peptide-based medicines are used to treat several conditions. Some peptides help people manage diabetes. Some are used to support hormone-related disorders. Others are being studied for obesity, wound healing, inflammation, and even certain cancers. Research is moving incredibly fast, but here's where social media often gets ahead of the science. You may have heard people claim peptides can build unlimited muscle, reverse aging, burn fat overnight, make you live forever. Those claims are exaggerated. Some peptides have proven medical uses. Others are still experimental, and many popular peptides being discussed online haven't been fully studied for long-term safety or effectiveness. That's why context matters. Not every peptide is approved. Not every peptide has strong scientific evidence, and not every peptide should be used outside medical supervision. One important thing to understand is that peptides are not steroids. People often confuse the two. Steroids directly influence hormone systems in powerful ways. Peptides usually work differently. Many act by sending signals that encourage the body to perform specific functions. They're more like instructions than replacements. But that doesn't mean they're risk-free. Any substance capable of changing biology can also produce side effects. That's why doctors carefully weigh potential benefits against potential risks before prescribing peptide medications. So, why are scientists so excited? Because peptides are incredibly precise. Instead of affecting the entire body, many peptides can target specific biological pathways. That precision could lead to treatments that are both more effective and have fewer unwanted side effects. Researchers are currently exploring peptide therapies for heart disease, brain disorders, autoimmune diseases, metabolic conditions, and even healthier aging. We're still in the early chapters of this story, but the future looks incredibly promising. The biggest lesson here isn't that everyone should start taking peptides. It's that biology is becoming programmable. The more we understand how cells communicate, the better we'll become at repairing the human body. Medicine is slowly shifting from simply treating disease to understanding the language our bodies already use. And peptides are one of the most fascinating words in that biological language. The next decade could completely transform how we think about health, longevity, and human performance. Not because of one miracle drug, but because science is learning how to communicate with our biology more intelligently than ever before. If this message hit your core and woke you up, make sure to support the channel. Subscribe right now, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments section below, and click that bell icon so you never miss a single deep dive. Connect with me directly across all platforms.